Let's learn how to use notification history. When we receive notifications, all notifications we can save. Using this notification history option, we can read deleted WhatsApp messages. For example, when your friend send a message to you, after he deleted this message, we cannot see the message. When we enable this notification history option, we can read the deleted message. Let's learn how to enable this notification history feature. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down and go to notifications option, go to advanced settings. In here, click on this notification history option. You can enable this notification history. After, when you receive notifications, all notification history are saved in here. You can view all deleted WhatsApp messages or deleted anything in here. I think this is very good feature to you.